Power BI 2025, the future of data analytics. Power BI, Microsoft's leading business intelligence platform, is revolutionizing how businesses harness data for smarter decisions. Let's explore the top trends redefining analytics in 2025. Key innovations. AI-powered insights. Ask questions in plain language and get instant, data-driven answers. Build predictive models with AutoML, no coding required. Real-time, anywhere access. Monitor live data streams from IoT, sales, and social media. Receive instant alerts for critical business metrics. Seamless collaboration. Co-edit reports in Teams, embed analytics into apps, and integrate smoothly with Excel and Microsoft 365. Why Power BI 2025? Smart AI, no extra cost, automate predictions without a data science team. Real-time decisions, live dashboards with instant insights. Enterprise-grade security, Microsoft Purview ensures data protection. Ready to turn data into your advantage? Contact Random Trees today for a demo or free trial and take your analytics to the next level.